Hi guys, welcome to my channel, DR Builds.
What's up guys, my name is Jose and this is DR Builds. Today we're making one of the most cleanest logos in baseball out of wood. The Atlanta Braves. Let's build this thing. So I started by tracing the Braves logo into the wood, and now it's time to break it into life with the scroll saw. This design has some really sharp curves and long smooth lines, so you gotta take your time here. One wrong cut and the game is over. Once all the pieces are cut, the next step is sanding everything down. This part is super important because clean edges make this logo look professional. This is where it starts going from rough wood to real artwork. Now comes the fun part, the dry fit. Seeing the Braves logo come together like this never gets old. It's like a puzzle, but way cooler because it's baseball. Alright, so now we add the color. The Braves color are bold and classic. So I really wanted this one to stand out. The red, the navy, the clean outline. This is the part where it really starts to pop up. And for this part, I use a clamp to make sure that those two pieces are attached together. I let it sit overnight because I didn't want to rush it. Brave fans, how did I do? If you want to see more MLB logos made out of wood, make sure to check out the other teams already created on my channel. I'm building a full MLB wooden logo series, so there's a lot more coming. Drop your favorite team in the comments down below and don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next build. See you in the next one.